Hello, dear students. Today we are going to take part 2, lesson number 3 of your practice book, which is determiners. In our previous video, we have talked about determiners, their definition, and usage of articles. In this video, we will talk about demonstrative adjectives, pronouns, and some more worksheets. First of all, this, that, these, and those are called demonstratives. Try to understand first of all this and that. This is used with singular and with about the things which are very close. Like, look into the example carefully. This book, here the book is close and singular. And when we are talking about its plural, these books, but they are close. When we talk about that, that means which is not near, not close, a bit far, but singular, that book. And its plural will be those books. More than one, but not close, means those books. Clear? This book, these books, that book, those books. Now, sometimes the children get confused between demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. I'll clear you everything. It's very easy, but you have to pay attention. Be careful now. First of all, we'll talk about demonstrative pronouns. Like, this is a red pen. Singular. Now, plural. These are red pens. Now, whenever we are making use of demonstrative pronoun, we add verb after the demonstrative. Like, this is demonstrative pronoun and is verb here. So when we talk about demonstrative pronouns, first of all we will add demonstrative and then a verb. This is a red pen. These are blue pens. And when we talk about demonstrative adjectives, we make sure that we use a noun after a demonstrative. Like, this pen is red. Now we are talking about this pen. This pen is red. These pens are blue. So demonstrative pronoun plus verb, demonstrative adjective plus noun. It's quite easier. But keep this thing in mind. Now, some more examples. Demonstrative adjective describes a noun. This chair is broken. Here, this is demonstrative and chair is a noun. Simple. This chair is broken. That car is expensive. These clothes are wet. Those birds are flying south. Now, demonstrative pronoun. It identify someone or something. And we are using verb here after the demonstrative. Like, this is my chair. That is Peter's house. These are her clothes. Those are migrating birds. Now, here is a worksheet for you. This is Madhuri's calculator. You have to convert it into this calculator is Madhuri's. Now, go back now. Now, this chair is broken. This chair is broken. This is demonstrative adjective. And this is my chair. This is my chair. This is pronoun. So now in your worksheet, part A is given as demonstrative pronoun. This is Madhuri's calculator. This is Madhuri's calculator. Now this is pronoun. But when we talk about this calculator is Madhuri's, it becomes demonstrative adjective. Likewise, you will write all these sentences. Few have been done by me. That is Arunima's box. That box is Arunima's. These are Rohan's books. These books are Rohan's. Likewise, you can do all the worksheets of this type. Now, again, we are taking articles. First of all, indefinite articles. A and an are indefinite articles, and the is the definite article. And we have discussed its usage in our previous video. Now, we'll directly move towards our worksheet. Now, here is a diary entry, again a letter in fact. Now you have to complete it with the help of the articles. Some of the fill-ups have been filled, but you will complete it. Now this worksheet, look at the worksheet, look at the pictures and the stimulus given in the help box. Now what's wrong with this jacket? Look at the picture. It seems the jacket is too big. So now the hint is also there. It's too big for him. Why can't she get these books? Now look at the picture. She's trying, but she's unable to. So why? What would be the reason? They are placed too high. Is he going to buy that television? Now he's seeing the price and he's thinking by looking at the price. No, it's too expensive. Why doesn't he like this weather? Because it's too hot. This all for today. We'll meet again with our next video. Till then, complete all the worksheets till we have done today. Goodbye. Take good care of yourself.